Aye. Talking yeah, human shit. Is this a bed?
There's loads. You should go further in, there's loads of them.
Whoa. Mad in here, like. See how the beds. Are you down this way?
Did you get that on camera?
Oh, yeah, I got it all on camera.
I did it to show you the first time we went out. You know, trying to get the bastard.
Oh, it's like a labyrinth in here, isn't it?
Yeah, you get lost in it.
Should have bought some fishing line.
Oh, freaky dookie. Hey, it's freaky in here though, isn't it?
Oh, aye. Just tripped over that bloody bit of wood.
Stop or air raid tunnels these to house over, I think it was 2,000 people or something, maybe more.
Christ.
For World War II and 1.
So it's just literally been carved into this rock.
Oh yeah. Chiseled their way through it all. Homeless squat in here, the inside of the homeless be not everything. But yeah, it's a really big piece of stuff what I British history in this place. Got chill air raid rules, goes on for. Turns out she's not taxi. I'm trying to cry.
I've actually seen this on other people's TikToks, and I thought those beds were shelves.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Rustic wartime beds. Rustic wartime beds. Don't look very comfy.
Yeah, pillows and cushions on it, but they're obviously been. You might
Burned.
have like a thin little sheet on it.
Oh, aye, little foam mattress.
We housed a lot of people.
I bet so many people pass this every day, but just oblivious that there's anything even under here.
There weren't so many things that have wall some of these houses as well.
It was screw at the floor.
Concrete, yeah.
It's just been rived up.
People are just trashed in it because no self-respect in it.
This leading up to the
This is the main entrance.
main entrance, aye.
This is the OG entrance, well, apparently.
Where the people would have came down during the war.
Yeah. I wonder that way, you know, when I showed you that picture, I wonder that way that one was taken in that entrance point.
God, it must be big. Wonder how many miles it goes on for underground.
You know when I showed you that slideshow of it?
Aye.
And then that brick one, that wasn't the one I climbed through, showing me. No, the first one we did.
Oh, I wonder if it did lead to somewhere. It's just been blocked off eventually.
You all lead back more to the front in here, you know what I mean?
Aye, they'll just lead back to the same place.
Yeah. I'm not hearing anyone down here, so we're sweet so far.
Looking good. Surprised this place hasn't been like, I don't know, like maintained and restored.
He restored one in a minute, but we haven't restored the rest.
Aye, too much money for them.
Yeah, I think how much it would cost to restore all that.
Poor, talking a lot of money like.
To make sure it's stable.
Aye, make it safe and that.
You can say.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's smashing some piece up there, to be fair. Somehow they don't get lost in here.
And nah. Probably just been coming here that long, they're not like the back of the hand.
I'll show you the toilets, that's what they use in the toilets.
I've still got the toilets in situ.
Rusty buckets, that's what we use in the toilets. Do you remember when Tesco had shopping bags like that?
Aye, that was off
There was
ages
toilets.
ago.
That's what's the toilets.
Fucking hell.
Little brick cubicle in it.
It's like an old-fashioned latrine.
Something just made this channel fucking vibrate, it felt it.
Aye, I felt that.
So, this is why you don't want to stay under that whole shoe on. So as you feel that vibration,
Time to get out.
that's when I go to sleep. You don't know if it's just this, the cage system moving or...
Aye. Aye, it says exit on the wall, like.
Or it's just something...
Is any, like, people's names scratched into the wall off the war times?
Maybe. It wasn't there in the last year, so definitely recent.
And yeah, people.